well known when there's a protected industry, a bill is often sent to an inappropriate committee. That makes you guys look bad. It seems to me that this is pretty clearly unconstitutional.
And sitting there and telling me something like that.
The point is, Representative Birch, is that the nursing home industry is being hit by...
I want to hear the other side.
Everyone knows that it is a defense tactic to delay a case from going to trial.
Folks are literally lying in their own waste.
My father screamed for 7.5 hours. He had an impacted bowel and he wanted help and he didn't get it.
They're going to be giving the nursing homes the benefit of the doubt.
Even though we have higher quality nursing homes, we have a higher number of lawsuits being filed against our nursing homes and higher liability costs. The norm is that we have very good nursing homes in this state, and the average case appears to me to have very little merit. A plaintiff's attorney from an out-of-state law firm told one of my colleagues in my firm that Kentucky was his favorite state for filing nursing home cases because we've made it so easy for him to get a big settlement here. The only people who would not benefit from House Bill 361 are attorneys who profit from protracted litigation or who profit from bringing baseless lawsuits.
House Bill 361 does not prevent abuse or neglect. It disables and dislabels sick people in nursing homes as the enemy of the court system.
That's why we are here today, because our members oppose this bill.
I'm a member of AARP, and I'm for this legislation. This is not basically preventing anybody from being sued. It would just ask that we get rid of frivolous lawsuits. And I think, in all honesty, that's what we really need to do.
Have you looked at the depositions in that case? We're seeing malnutrition, dehydration. These are terrible pictures. Multiple, repeatable, but preventable infections.
Florida lawyer Jim Wilkes has built a profitable career out of suing nursing homes.
This entire firm deals only with nursing home cases.
Yes, ma'am. Is this the file against Arbors?
Off the top of your head, how many cases do you have going right now?
Probably 200 to 300.
200 to 300?
100. I'm talking about cases that we've determined there is positive evidence of abuse or neglect. It is an epidemic.
The epidemic keeps his 20 attorneys on the go.
Where exactly are we going today?
We're going to Miami.
Hopping on the corporate jet.
Jim, this is a nice way to get there.
It's a real nice way to get there.
To cover cases all around the sites.
You're going to go up in the front?
Yeah, they say that no pain, no gain in business.
This is beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. I didn't know it until I got one, and they're right. First engine, starting engines.
Citation 650 Alpha Charlie, Roger. Runway 18 right.
We have offices in Florida and Alabama.
How you doing this morning?
I'm doing great. How you doing? We've just opened in Texas, so we need a plane. You can't get to those places.
Looking good.
Attorney Wilkes is not above advertising for even more business.
At Wilkes & McHugh, we help families when a loved one has suffered pain or death in a nursing home.
They're getting away with it.
In a given year, 1 in 5 Florida nursing homes is cited for serious problems.
No, wait a minute. They don't document anything.
The not-for-profit facilities, you don't have the tendency to want to cut staff or cut supplies.
Just do this.
So that you can look good for the next quarterly report.
For Wilkes and his clients, that's meant some serious money.
All right, let's bring the jury back.
We've had cases in the several millions of dollars.
Jim's clothed himself in righteousness.
Where's the jury?
As far as we're concerned, he's a wolf in sheep's clothing, you know, a bandit dressed up as a crusader.
And in it, just for the money, says nursing home spokesman Max Stepanovich, noting that under Florida law, homes pay Wilkes' fees if they lose even trivial cases.
Jim Wilkes is out there reinvesting his money, soliciting people to sue nursing homes. Because it doesn't cost him anything to do it, we have to pay the check. They may win something. It's like the lottery, for God's sakes. It doesn't cost them anything. Why not take a roll?